The world of plants is as useful as it is beautiful. We are indebted to it for oxygen as well as for the fruits, vegetables, and cereals which sustain life. The marigold, recognized for its beauty and medicinal properties, is also a part of this plant kingdom. The marigold, which blooms in winter and spring, is a very attractive flower. Originally from Mexico, the marigold is a member of the Compositae, that is the Asteraceae family, which includes other plants like the Zerbera, carrotweed, sunflower, chrysanthemum, and xanthium. The marigold is known botanically as Tagetes. Tagetes erecta is the flower with only yellow petals, whereas the flower which has red spots on the yellow petals bears the botanical name of Tagetes petula. These are the two main varieties of the marigold. One variety of Tagetes erecta has big blooms and is commonly known as diamond jubilee, and a smaller variety is called petite yellow. Similarly, Tagetes petula has two varieties, a small one, spry, and a big one, gold rush. The marigold is an annual herb and flowers only once in the year. But at present, plants that flower all year round have been developed. The plant grows to a height of 45 to 60 centimeters. It has a taproot system. If the stem happens to touch the soil, then it sprouts adventitious roots. The stem is green and covered with hair and possesses cells which bear oil. The leaves are simple and parted till the midrib of the lamina. They also bear oil glands. These oil glands, which produce volatile oil, give the plant its characteristic aroma. The structure, which is generally termed as the marigold flower, is not a simple flower, but an inflorescence. This countless bunch of florets is arranged in a compact raceme to appear like a single flower. The floral arrangement is called a head or a capitum inflorescence, a unique feature of the Asteraceae or Compositae family. There are two kinds of florets in this inflorescence. The ray floret present on the outside are female flowers. In the center are the bisexual flowers called disc florets. The ray florets and disc florets are both epigynous, and the ovary is at the base. The fleshy receptacle in the middle of the flower bears the florets. It gets the name head or capitulum from the shape of the receptacle, which resembles a bald head. Floral formula of ray floret is bracteate, zygomorphic female, calyx in the form of pappus 5 in number, corolla of 3 fused petals, androsium absent, gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus, ovary inferior, unilocular with basal placentation. The floral diagram of ray floret is The floral formula of disc floret is bracteate, actinomorphic bisexual, calyx in the form of pappus, 5 in number, corolla of 5 fused petals, androecium of 5 stamens, syngenetious and epipetalous, gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpous, ovary inferior, unilocular with basal placentation. The floral diagram of disc floret is pollination is carried out by insects. Once a plant takes root, very soon it is surrounded by a whole lot of new plants. The marigold bears a black-colored fruit called cypsela. It has one seed. The hairy external covering of the fruit are in fact modified calyx. The calyx remains fixed, but the fruit is dispersed by the wind. These seeds grow into new plants under favorable circumstances. These can later be transferred into pots or flower beds to grow healthy plants. These ornamental plants are beautiful in themselves and also add to the beauty of their surroundings. The marigold's beauty attracts attention to itself. This is why it is used in decorations, garlands, and bouquets. It is used in religious rituals, weddings, and festivals, and hence is in great demand. Today, there is a growing market for this flower, and hence it is cultivated on a large scale in various parts of the country. Hundreds of individuals earn a living by cultivating the marigold, marketing it, or by working as flower decorators. Apart from this, the marigold is valuable for its medicinal properties. The fresh juice extracted from its leaves can cure earaches and, if applied on wounds, can heal them. The juice extracted from the stem and leaves are capable of getting rid of moles. Massaging with the juice of flowers and leaves provides relief to sprains and wounds. If 4 or 5 marigold flowers are ground and sorted in ghee and 10 grams consumed with crystallized sugar and aniseed morning and evening, it can cure bleeding piles. So, if one considers all these wonderful qualities of this beautiful and useful plant, one will not hesitate in stating that the marigold is veritably a gold mine.